Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll answer whether you can use a keyboard and mouse to play Rainbow Six Siege on PS5 and walk you through what's allowed, what's not, and what risks are involved. Now, can you play Rainbow Six on PS5 with keyboard and mouse? The short answer is no. As of 2025, Rainbow Six Siege does not support native keyboard and mouse input on PS5. Ubisoft has made that clear and introduced an anti-spoofing system called Mousetrap that detects use of unauthorized adapters that try to mimic keyboard or mouse input. What that means in practice, if you plug in a standard keyboard and mouse, the game won't recognize them for actual gameplay. If you try using adapters like XIM or Cronus to force keyboard or mouse input, Ubisoft's system may detect that and start applying penalties or lag to reduce any unfair advantage. Now here are some steps to check this. Plug in your keyboard and mouse to USB or connect via Bluetooth to your PS5. Launch Rainbow Six Siege, try using the devices, and the chances are they won't work for aiming, shooting, or menu navigation in-game. If you are using a keyboard or mouse adapter, be aware of Mousetrap. Ubisoft's console anti-cheat will flag such input and gradually penalize input latency to balance the gameplay. So the final verdict, until Ubisoft officially adds native keyboard and mouse support, Siege on PS5 is fundamentally made for controllers. Using keyboard or mouse through workarounds may get you penalties, reduced performance, and potentially degraded match quality. If precision with mouse and keyboard is a priority, playing on PC remains the safer and more supported route. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.